Ever wondered why moles don't burn even when metal is hot? Temperatures above 1500 degrees centigrade enough to melt steel, but the furnace stays intact. So what's the secret? Magic, technology, or something else? It's just a powder. A special heat-resistant lining called natural ramming mix. It protects the furnace, resists extreme heat, and survive harsh chemicals. This dry ramming mass is applied inside induction furnaces which hold scorching hot molten metal.